I want to raise another matter of concern that people have been bringing to our attention as your elected representatives. The driving population. They're confronted daily by the challenges of navigating our bad roads and now the heavy hand of government in the licensing office. Touted as a mechanism for promoting road safety and accountability, the ticketing and demerit point system is being abused by some police and licensing officers and has become a source of anguish and frustration for many drivers across the land. Instead of instilling a sense of responsibility, it has bred fear and resentment, fueled by a lack of transparency and trust in the licensing authority. The government should review the demerit system. People are losing their license and therefore their ability to earn a livelihood because of the arbitrary behavior of some licensing and some police officers. Some of these officers seem to be on a power trip, bullying and abusing our citizens regularly. There are many videos on the internet of officers harassing drivers with no basis in law. They insult and abuse drivers in front of their families. These officers must be brought to hand, must be reprimanded for their abusive behavior towards the public. Tonight I propose a new vision for road safety that prioritizes education and rehab over simple punishment. We must advocate for a system which offers retraining instead of imposing harsh financial penalties and suspensions, except for the most egregious, the worst kinds of offenses: dangerous driving, driving under the influence of drugs or alcohol. Let us invest in training programs that promote safer driving habits and equip drivers with the skills to navigate our roads responsibly. We must explore alternatives to fines and suspensions. As again saying, training, education. Stop taking away people's means to feed their families. Who will feed their families when they cannot earn a living? In addition, traffic fines are too high. UNC government will reduce traffic fines across the board and implement state-sponsored driver education programs instead. What is publicly presented as a mission for public safety, you know what, is really a scheme by this corrupt, wicked government to collect more taxes for revenue collection. We cannot ignore that the licensing authorities' heavy-handed tactics, which have turned our roads into battlegrounds at daily roadblocks and traffic jams. This is not about road safety. It is yet another tax drive by this government, using the licensing authority to raise revenue. So when it's not property tax, inheritance tax, online tax, tire tax, it's tax after tax after tax, and now licensing authority taxes. It must stop. It must stop.